this video, we're going to be going over curl direction. So I've done these two in the middle using one technique and the two on the outside using the same different technique. That way you could see that curl direction doesn't matter what iron you use or size you use, it's about literally the direction of the curl. So let's talk about it. So this one here, you can see that it starts to go in here immediately, and then it spirals going this way, and this is going the opposite direction, so they're clashing. These, however, are going the same direction. So we can see that these are heading towards the right and spiraling down, and these are heading towards the left and spiraling down, okay? So I would call this a right curl here, right and left, okay? What that basically means is that the curling iron or wand or whatever is on the right hand side, and we're wrapping it this way. You see how it's wrapping, and then I finish it, and this was on the left side of the curl and wrapped. Yes, and it's producing a right curl or a left curl. Yes, and this is just setting the direction of the curl. And it's good to talk about curl direction because when we're trying to create different looks, if we keep them all the same direction, it's going to create a look. If we alternate their directions, it's going to create a different look. And some people will call this away from the face or towards the face, but we kind of want to also know whether they're going to the right or left, because this is where it gets a little bit confusing. If we go towards the face here, on this side, that same direction is going to be away from the face. So we need to be able to differentiate between right and left, because on different sides of the head, they're going to be create a towards the face and away from the face look. So for instance, this one, see how it goes to the left? On this side, that's going to create an away from the face look. The same curl to the left on this side is going to create a towards the face look. Okay, so if I just drop a section around her face so you can see this one going to the left. Okay, not worrying about how it's at what iron I'm using at this particular point, it's just direction. Okay, so this is to the left. Yes, iron is on the left, curls going to the left. So now I'm gonna take a very similar size and shape section on this side of her face. Okay, and we're going to also do this curl to the left. Okay, as you can see, when we comb this out, let me just comb this out for you. This one is going away from the face, and this one is going towards the face, and they're very different looks, okay? So they're both left, but this one when we put it on the face. So if we want them to go away, this one has to be left, and this one has to be a right, okay? Or if you want them going towards the face, this needs to be left, and this needs to be right. Okay, so understanding towards the face, away from the face is important, but also understanding whether it's a left curl or a right curl is also critically important.